Now let us take one numerical here related to normality. 4 gram sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of water. 4 gram sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Find its normality. So how will calculate? Amount of solute is given 4 gram and V is 100 ml. Molar mass of NaOH is, it is 40 gram per mole. So stoichiometry X is equal to, NaOH will break down into Na positive plus OH negative. So it is 1, means Na plus OH negative. So how many hydroxide are there? 1. So stoichiometry of this sodium hydroxide is 1. So equivalent weight will be molar mass 40 upon X. Molar mass, that is 40 upon 1, that is 40. So equivalent weight is 40 gram per gram equivalent. So what is normality? W by E into V into 1000. So it is, so normality is equal to 4 into 1000 divided by 40 into 100. It is 1 by 10, that is 1 gram equivalent per liter. 1 gram equivalent per liter. So normality answer is equal to 0.1 gram equivalent per liter. Simply we can write here. And if you want to find out its molarity, then molarity and normality will be same, because this equivalent weight and molar mass is same here. And simply you can find out its molarity by using molarity equation. Normality, what is molarity equation? N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 and N is equal to X into O. So normality is equal to X into molarity. Normality 0.1 is equal to X. X is 1 into molarity. So molarity is equal to 0.1 mole per liter. So in case where stoichiometry is 1, remember, for if stoichiometry of a solute is 1, then its normality and molarity will be equal. Another simple question we can take, very important question. If N by 5 100 ml H2SO4 is mixed with 200 ml of NaOH for complete neutralization. When acid is mixed with base, then neutralization reaction takes place. So acid N by 2 means its normality is 1 by 5, volume 100 ml, and volume of NaOH is, so you know that N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. It is H2SO4 and it is for NaOH. So for H2SO4 N1 is 1 by 5 and volume is 100 ml. N2 we have to find out, V2 is 200. So N2 is equal to 100 by 5 into 200, that is 1 by 10. So normality of sodium hydroxide will be 1 by 10. Simply we can calculate. Now let us take another example, another numerical here related to normality. In Geldahl method, this is very important concept. Geldahl method of estimation of nitrogen, and very important question being asked and is to be asked in competition related to Geldahl method. N by 5 100 ml H2SO4 is mixed with N by 10 500 ml NaOH. Then find the normality of the resulting solution. After mixing, find the normality or molarity of the resulting solution. So how we can calculate this one? N by 500 ml H2SO4 is equivalent to, we can simply calculate it, 5 n by 5 20, so it is equal to n, one normal solution, 20 ml H2SO4. Similarly, n by 10, 500 ml, it is equivalent to, divide it, one normal solution and 50 ml H2SO4. So here we have taken normality of both solution equal, and you know by normality equation N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. So normality is equal, then how much solution of it is NaOH, it is for NaOH. So look here, one normal solution of H2SO4 that means is mixed with one normal solution of 50 ml of NaOH. So normality of both equal, that means 20, if normality of both equal, that is then V1 is equal to V2. So 20 ml of sulfuric acid is required to neutralize by 20 ml of NaOH, 20 ml of NaOH. So it means 50 ml minus 20 ml is equal to 30 ml NaOH is left unreacted. 30 ml NaOH is left unreacted. Is that clear? So overall nature of solution is basic. What is the nature of basic? What is the nature of solution after mixing? So we can simply find out that sulfuric acid completely neutralized, but 30 ml NaOH is left. So how many gram equivalent are present in 30 ml of NaOH? So we can find out here, normality of NaOH is 1. So how many gram equivalent will be there? So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent divided by volume in liter, that is, it is 1. 1 is equal to number of gram equivalent divided by 30. So it is how many gram equivalent here? 30. The number of gram equivalent is equal to 30. So in solution, number of gram equivalent of NaOH is 30. It is normality is 1, number of gram equivalent divided by, it is multiplied by 1000. Again, try to understand. NaOH left over 50 minus 20, because 20 ml H2SO4 will neutralize 20 ml NaOH. So 50 minus 20, that is 30 ml NaOH will be left in the solution. So in 30 ml NaOH, how many number of gram equivalent? So we can find N is equal to number of gram equivalent divided by volume into 1000. So N is 1, number of gram equivalent into 1000 divided by 30. So here we can find out number of gram equivalent. So number of gram equivalent here will be 1 into 30 divided by 1000, and total volume is what? Total volume is after mixing 20 plus 50, it is equal to 70 ml. So number of gram equivalent in solution is 30 upon 1000, total volume is 70 ml. So what is new normality? Normality of the resulting solution, it is equal to number of gram equivalent 30 upon 1000 divided by equivalent weight. And what is equivalent weight of NaOH? 40. Or what is volume? 70 into 1000. This will be cancelled out. It is equal to 30 upon 40 into 70. So simply we can say 3 upon 280. So this is the normality of the resulting solution.